Welcome to Solve the Numbers. In this video, I'll be explaining about expansion of algebraic expressions. In algebra, expanding brackets means removing the brackets or parentheses from an expression. Look at the following example. 2 times x plus y is expanded to 2x plus 2y. Here, we multiply each term inside the brackets, x and y, by the expression outside the brackets, 2. If we are multiplying by negative outside expression, be careful to distribute the negative as well. For example, negative 2 times x plus y is expanded to negative 2x minus 2y. Here, the outside expression is negative 2, and we distributed that negative to each term inside the brackets. Expanding single brackets. Take the following expression, negative 4x times 3x plus 2y, and expand it using the standard form, and we get negative 4x times 3x plus negative 4x times 2y, which is equal to negative 12x squared minus 8xy. We used the distributive property to expand the brackets. We can also do this through the grid method. Let's have a look at what the grid method is. Let's see how to expand negative 4x times 3x plus 2y using the grid method. First, draw a grid like the one we have on the right side. Then fill it with the terms of the expression. Remember to include any negative signs. So first we fill in the outside term, negative 4x. Then we fill in the first term in the brackets, 3x. Then we fill in positive 2y. And finally, our multiplication sign. We have now filled in the grid. Now let's see how to do the expansion with it. First, we multiply negative 4x by 3x and write the answer below, which is negative 12x squared. Then we multiply negative 4x by positive 2y and we write the answer below, which is negative 8xy. Now we only need to write down the answer from the lower cells, which is negative 12x squared minus 8xy. We can use this grid method for expressions with more than 2 terms inside the brackets. Let's have a look at an example. Take the expression negative 4x times 3x plus 2y plus 10. Here we have 3 terms inside the brackets. First, draw the grid and fill in the terms. Remember, we need 4 columns for the 4 terms. So here we have our grid with 4 columns and 2 rows. First, we fill in the outside expression negative 4x, then 3x, then positive 2y, then positive 10, along with our multiplication sign. We multiply each term in the top row by the outside term in the second row as in the previous problem. So we multiply negative 4x by 3x and get the answer negative 12x squared. Then we multiply negative 4x by positive 2y and we get negative 8xy. Then we multiply negative 4x by 10 and we get the answer negative 40x. Write down the answer from the lower row. Negative 4x times 3x plus 2y plus 10 is equal to negative 12x squared minus 8xy minus 40x. Expanding double brackets. Look at the following expression. 4x plus 2 times 6y minus 3. The above expression has two sets of brackets and two terms inside each set of brackets. And one more thing, there is no outside term. So here we need to multiply every term in the second set of brackets by every term in the first set of brackets. Let's see how to do it. Expand 4x plus 2 times 6y minus 3. First, multiply each term of the second set of brackets by each term of the first set of brackets. So we get 4x times 6y minus 3 plus 2 times 6y minus 3, and apply the distributive property here. And we get 4x times 6y plus 4x times negative 3 plus 2 times 6y plus 2 times negative 3, which is equal to 24xy plus negative 12x plus 12y plus negative 6. Now remove the brackets. Don't miss out on any negative signs. So here we have our answer. Check for any like terms that can be combined. As you can see, we do not have any like terms that can be combined. So this is our final answer. Let's solve this using the grid method now. First, draw the grid and film the terms. So here we have our grid. Notice that there is an additional row. Here we need an additional row for the second term in the first set of brackets. So first we fill in the first term in the first set of brackets, which is 4x. Then we fill in positive 2 right below it. Depending on how many terms there are in the first set of brackets, we can increase the number of rows. Then we fill in 6y on the top and negative 3 right beside it. And we put in the multiplication sign. Multiply each term in the top row by each term in the first column, and write their product in the respective boxes. So we multiply 4x by 6y and we get 24xy. Then we multiply 4x by negative 3 and we get the answer negative 12x. Then we multiply positive 2 by 6y and we get the answer positive 12y. Then we multiply positive 2 by negative 3 and write the answer in the remaining blank box, which is negative 6. Now we have the products in 4 boxes of the grid. Next, we need to write down our answer. So first goes 24xy, then we write our second product, which is negative 12x, then our third product, which is positive 12y, and our last product, which is negative 6. So this is our final answer. Let's have a quick recap of what we have covered so far. Expanding expressions with single brackets and one outside term, and expanding expressions with double brackets with no outside term. Remember, in both these cases, there can be more than one term. We only need to add rows and columns to the grid accordingly. And never forget to write the product with their respective signs in the boxes, so that while writing down the answer, it is much easier. While expanding algebraic expressions, remember the following. Remove any brackets or parentheses by multiplying. Use exponents rule while multiplying variables. Combine like terms by addition or subtraction. Remember, like terms have same variables and same exponents. Combine the constants. And if there are negative terms, remember to distribute them to each term you multiply. Thanks for watching Solve the Numbers. Please like, share, and subscribe our channel. Follow us for more videos.